Okay guys, I'm back. Hair is washed, clean. I did notice that while using the deep conditioner, my hair, when I was rinsing it out, it actually felt like it was already clean. You know how it gets that feeling like no product at all is in your hair? But I went on and I used the Daily Defense anyway, just to make sure I didn't leave any gel products in my hair, because I'm not going to be using the Extreme Wet Line. I'm actually going to be using the Eco Style Gel today. And it has the olive oil in it, shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed. So it has all of them in. And I'm going to a doctor's appointment. So we got to make this quick. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about me. I live in Texas. Not two, oh my God. In 2010, I was diagnosed with breast cancer and I lost all of my hair, okay? Well, at the time I had a relaxer. Oh, shucky, I think I got some lighting. Okay, so at the time I had a relaxer in my hair and all of my hair came out. So when I finished my chemo and everything, I noticed that my hair was natural when it came back. So that's really how I started this whole journey. But I would go and I would let it grow. And if you go and look at some of my videos, you'll see I'll let it grow and then I'll come back and I'll relax it. And then I'll let it grow some more and I'll come back and I'll relax it. So, and that's water. I kept water on my hair. I kept my hair wet because I didn't have I only had a towel. I really should, I wish it was a way I could learn how to do it on dry hair, because I guess that's where I need to get a diffuser or something. I gotta figure out exactly what a diffuser is. But, so, this is wet, clean hair, okay? So this time, my hair, you know, I went in April and I did the big chop, and I could easily, I mean, anybody could easily just say, okay, I'm finna go natural. Because I've been natural so many times, and I haven't did anything with it. Y'all see that? So y'all see that, but that's just water. It's not, the lighting ain't great. Don't know about the lighting, so, okay. So, but this time I was like, you know what? I want to go natural and I want to get into this, using the products and learning how to, you know, just keep my normal texture for my hair. And, you know, I'm applying the gel. This light ain't right. Hold on. Because y'all can't see nothing, because I can't see nothing. I see in this mirror, but I can't see in that mirror. That's a little bit better. Y'all be able to see it, I guess, when I get to the front part of it, because you can't see in the back. But this is doing its job. This gel is the Eco Style, and it's really, the texture of it is really moist. It's like it's got some kind of cream in it. And my curls are, you can't really see it, but my curls are popping. And there's no white residue either. See, y'all can't see that. Maybe y'all can see it on this side. There's no white residue on it. It looks like it is on this camera. You know, I'm filming this with my phone. I'm just not popping yet. I'm not popping yet. And I could be. And so if you're watching this and you are already on the natural hair journey, please, please, I'm asking you for any tips that you guys may have. Because am I applying the gel right? I watch the videos, but everybody's hair is like longer than mine that I watched. I mean, I see some styles that I can do, yeah. But as far as a washing go, it's like I don't see a lot of videos for the short hair people. Me. So if y'all could give me some tips or something, I would really appreciate it. Look, if y'all can give me some constructive criticism, I really appreciate that too. Any learning, anything that can help me learn, I appreciate it. So I saw a style last night, and I was just figuring out if I was going to try that style or not, and I am. I am. Hold on. I'm not going to leave this part down the middle. I'm not going to do that. Y'all, this stuff is so thick. Oh my God. I can get, you know, my hair, but it grows out. Don't grow down. And that's the problem that I'm having. My hair does not grow down. And I want it to. I want hair on my shoulders. Shout out to the girl that I have been watching. Her name is her tag, or I don't know how to say it. You can go to her page. She's under Happy Curls, Happy Girl. Happy Curl, Happy Girl. Yeah. Y'all, she's awesome. She's awesome. And her hair is so freaking beautiful. And it's so healthy. Anyway, she rocks, for real. For real, for real. Okay, so I'm finna put gel on this part now. Hopefully I'll learn how to speed these videos up so you won't have to sit and watch it. I'm actually gonna ask my son to help me. But I know I'm not applying this gel right. And I don't want to put a whole lot on there because, baby, what I woke up with this morning, that was not right. Not right at all. So can y'all see the curls now? I'm gonna have to. And I know I need to use more product. I know I do. I'm just scared. I'm scared because I messed up yesterday. I put way too much gel on my hair. Way too much. And I know I did. Yeah, so I am a mother of two, been married 18 years, breast cancer survivor, not active in my community. I don't really do anything. Not now. I'm gonna stay at home mom. I guess that's why I have more. I've got so much time on my hand to learn this process. And I'm looking at this time and it's like 10 minutes. So I'm definitely gonna be chopping this video up. I'm goofy. You'll figure that out. At least I can do is party, right? Okay, y'all. Oh, dang it. It's pink. Can't have a hot pink twisty in my head. Switch that out for a rubber band. And I don't know anything about doing edges and all that kind of stuff, so that's also something we will learn as we go. But y'all may already know. I don't know. My daughter, she's really good at it. She can do edges like in no tomorrow. Her edges. So what do y'all think? You cannot see, oh my God. This is horrible. This is horrible because y'all can't see what I can see. It's not a lot of that the white stuff in here that it looks like is actually shine. There's no white stuff in my head, and that's why I keep looking. I'm frustrated. The hair is fine. The washing going great. Eco Style rocks. My hair feels moisturized. It's soft. It don't feel sticky or nothing. I don't feel any stickiness. It just did. It does what it does what it do, because it worked out perfect. Now I just gotta work on you guys seeing what I see. Okay, kinda, sorta. Oh, eyebrows. So can y'all see that? I hope so. So it did it. Eco Style gave me a good wash and go. My hair feels clean and not sticky. And that's my little style that I'm wearing for the day. Hot mess. I need a camera. I need all that stuff. We're gonna get there, but this is it for me today. No edges. Don't know how to do all that. Just slicked it up. Curls are defined. There's no white buildup, so I know my hair was good and clean. And on that note, I'm gonna let y'all go because it's been like 17 minutes on this video. It don't look the way I want it to look, and that's why I am reaching out for help, because my curls need help. And remember, this is a journey from the beginning to the end. So I'm not gonna have it all together right now. I will have it together by the time we end this. If it ever ends. You never know. Looks like the hair journey could be something that goes for a long time. All right, guys. I kept y'all long enough. I love y'all. And hopefully I'm going to work on the lighting. Okay. I'm going to work on the lighting so that y'all can see my hair. Because this is just not good. It's just a little teeny weeny afro. All right, love you guys. Remember, it's a journey. You're taking with me. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. It's gonna get better. And hit the notification button, because it's gonna get better. Y'all hanging there with me. It's a journey. Bye, guys.